How to type exponents in Google Docs. Google Docs offer different options for inserting exponents. If you want to type exponents directly in Google Docs, you need to use the quotation feature. So for that, open Google Docs, paste the insertion point where you want to insert an exponent. The insertion point is the blinking line that determines where your characters will be typed. So in the horizontal toolbar at the top of the screen, click Insert and then select quotation equation and then type any example like 10 to the power of 6, and Google Drive will automatically transfer that into 10 to the power 6. So in this way you can do. So insert this symbol by pressing Shift plus 6. This may vary depending on the language you set for your keyboard.